This St. Peter's University. This is Peter University. You can see their fence. This is one of the newest private university located in Chinaone. This is Peter University, located in One, in Orumba South local government. It's one of the private universities owned by the Catholic Church, Ekulabia Diocese. You can see their motto, Peter University. Here we go, here we go. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks very much indeed for stopping by. We are here to update you with the happenings on our project site. You can see the first phase of molding of blocks has come to an end. The block molders are now packing the blocks. So for us to be able to know the number we have molded so far. This block, they're packing it 5-5 in a row, 5-5 in a row. You can see it. With the packing of 5-5 in a row, you'll be able to count the number straight away. Yes. This is what we are doing. They started very early this morning. They have packed so many number of blocks as possible. There's a block. It is so powerful. You see, you can all go. Yes. The work is going on gradually. They're packing those blocks. Yes. Yes. These are the blocks. Packing is going on. I can see it. With the way it is packed, you'll be able to count it now. It's packing of blocks. So we want to keep you posted. We are here to document the whole process. So we are here to show you how the packing of blocks, how it looks like. After molding of blocks, you have to pack it and be able to take the number of blocks you have molded so far. I told you ab initio, our target is to get 5,000 blocks we are going to use here for the perimeter fencing of our site project, 2 plots of land. So you can see the block molders are now packing it gradually. These things are packing in a row, 5 in a row, to enable you to count it and get the accurate figure. Yes. That's what is going on. They're packing the blocks. You can see the blocks. These are the sand. These are the remaining sand we are going to use for molding of these blocks. You can see it. Sooner than later, by next week, we are going to commence our work here. There's a block. Is in Ikanolu?
Okay.
On your lower own, MSN 9 year, Onoga, Lachesi back. Yotago. Onoga, Lachak. We are now packing the blocks, the first phase. The first phase of blocks we have molded. About 60 bags have been molded. They are packing the blocks now. Yes. We are packing blocks. Yes. This is packing of blocks. This is packing a set of 6 per row. Blocks. This is the cement. This is the cement we are going to use for second phase. That's it. What we are using to mold this block is Boa cement. Boa. cement.